Well, I just finished almost 2 hours. I had a lot of trouble getting the speaker box the way I wanted, and with the space that I had, I went through a couple of sketches, little cartoons, designs, things that I knew I had to have and try to make work. And I ended up actually modeling the speaker in into a what's called a component, so that I can actually move him around as if he's an independent part. So as you can see here, I can I've created this component, and I can pull it out, and I can push it back in, and then I leave it selected, and I can then move this around and look at the shape and the clearances and where the baffles go, and make sure I have the opening for the wiring, and how tall is it, and how fat does it need to be, and all kinds of things. And I'm printing this one now in hopes that it's going to be close enough. It's going to be taller than I wanted, but the speaker is so good, I really have to try to force fit it in, okay? So being tall in the middle isn't too bad, and it's near the back. So if you look at this setup, it's going to be in here, and it can be tall at this point, and then it's shorter here. So as you can see, when you have the coal load, it goes down there and comes up here. So the tallest point is about here. Now, the tallest point is going to be here for me, but that's pretty close, and I think I'll be able to mound up the coal, and it'll work out okay. We'll have to see when I put my the coal load onto my lid. We'll see where it ends up, but I feel like this is the best I can do at this time. Now, it may come I have to trim it. I put the coal on, it looks crazy, I don't know. I may have to trim it down, but you know what? It's in CAD, so I can always move it here and there. As you can see, it looks like I could have dropped it a little lower, and you know, I got a thickness, I can't get too low, but I could drop it a little lower. But if you do, really, you only lose about a millimeter or less, so I'm not so sure, you know. So leave that and let it print. I've just started it. It's still warming up. And oh no, it's not. It's actually printing the base. Okay, so it's printing the foundational part, and then it's going to come up on top of that. So, and it's going to take 45 minutes. I'm printing it in fast mode, so this is not going to be very pretty, but it's a speaker baffle. You know, the injected molded ones are like this, and they're really not that much bigger. I think I'm going to have good sound quality if it fits. Okay. All right, that's it. Now I got to go shovel some snow. We got about 4 or 5 inches on the driveway I need to clear out. Now, when I come back, I'll do a test fit and show you what comes out of it. Hoping that this does it, and then I think the only thing I have left would be the rear steps and the coal load, and then I'm done. Okay, later. Gotta run.